Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best flux core welders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Forney Easyweld 261 Flux Core Welder. Forney is one of the oldest brand options out there when it comes to welding machines, since it offers all kinds of options including a decently powerful flux core welder to its buyers. The Forney Easyweld 261 Flux Core Welder comes of this list since it is one of the most compact flux core welders out there. Even at its given size and compact form factor, you get a fairly decent current output of 14 amps out of this flux core welder. This is combined along with a 0.30 flux core wire, allowing you to get precise welds. You also get a fairly good duty cycle of 30% at 90 amps with this welding machine. Talking about the compatibility of this flux core welder in terms of the metal thickness on which you can work, it is ideal for up to 1/4 inch thick metal sheets, which are quite good. A great thing about this flux core welder is that it has an inbuilt torch and handle, which can be quite handy in a lot of cases. Moving on, at number 4, we have Hobart 500,559 Flux Core Welder. While it is a bit on the expensive side, Hobart and welding machines like the Flux Core Welder stated here can be a great option for all those of you who want something highly versatile. Hobart's 500,559 handler Flux Core Welder comes at the second position of this listicle, as this welder comes with a wide range of accessories in the box, making this welder highly versatile for a lot of users. Talking about its performance numbers, you get a maximum current output of 140 amps out of it. Although, its duty cycle of 20% at 90 amps is a bit low when compared with most other options out there. Thankfully, this high-end flux core welder still makes for a great choice for heavy-duty usage, as it can weld up to 1/4 inch thick materials with ease. Coming to the key feature of this flux core welder, you will be glad to know that it includes all kinds of things like MIG gun, cables, clamps, power cords, dual gauge regulator, contact tips, drive roll, and material thickness gauge in the box. At number 3, we have Display 4 Top Flux Core Welder. Display 4 Top is one of the newest and smallest brands of welding machines out there when compared with other offerings present here, because of which it offers various affordable welders. This Display 4 Top portable no-gas flux core welder comes at the third position of this article because it is one of the cheapest options available out there. Even though it has such a low price tag, you get a decent and standard current output of 120 amps from it. And its given duty cycle rating of 35% is quite higher than even some of the most expensive options. Taking a look at the material thickness support of this welder, you can use it for working on up to 5/32 inch thick materials, which is fairly decent for the given price. You also get things like a welding gun, grounding clamp, protection mask, brush, and others in the box, resulting in a high value for money. However, being a fairly new brand of welders. At number 2, we have Tulium 200A Flux Core Welder. Tulium and its welding machine options are known for offering pretty high performance numbers, which is also true for its flux core welder stated here that can be a great option for heavy-duty usage. The Tulium 200A MIG Flux Core Welder is the most powerful option stated here in this listicle, at least in terms of its current output. To be precise, this heavy-duty flux core welder from Tulium is able to offer a maximum current output rating of up to 200 amps. Not only that, but you also get a superb duty cycle of 60% at 200A, which is much higher than most other welding machines. However, to achieve such high performance numbers, it is a bit limited in terms of supported maximum thickness, which is only rated at 5/32 inch and slightly lower than most other options. Since this flux core welder is designed for heavy-duty usage, you also get a few handy accessories like wires, feed, cables, electrodes, and others in the box, similar to most other flux core welders. And finally, at number 1, Lincoln Electric K22781 Flux Core Welder. Lincoln Electric is one of the oldest options out there if you are looking for power tools made for your electronics projects. This Lincoln Electric K22781 handy flux core welder is one of the smallest options available out there, which makes it a viable option for on-the-go usage. Although, to achieve such a compact design, its performance is a bit limited with the given current output rating of up to 88 amps. Similarly, the duty cycle of this flux core welder is also a bit limited at 20% at 70 amps. Thankfully, real-life applications will still not be affected by much while working with this welding machine, as it still supports up to 1/8 inch thick materials. Just like many other flux core welders, this one also includes a few things like clamps, wires, and cables in the box. As Lincoln Electric is a highly reputable and old brand of welding machines. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.